Hello everyone. Today's topic is all about phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a phrase consisting of a verb and another adverb or a preposition. It is either a literal phrasal verb or an idiomatic phrasal verb. Let's focus on phrasal verbs with the verb cut. First, let us have cut across, which has two meanings. It may mean to shorten one's route or route, such as this. We'll get there quicker if we cut across the park. Before we move on to the next, if you haven't subscribed yet, do consider hitting the subscribe and like button, comment, and tap the notification bell. Going back to our topic, cut across may also mean to have an effect regardless of divisions or boundaries between groups. For example, this opinion also cuts across age groups. Cut back means to reduce or decrease something. Example, they are trying to cut back the amount they spend on food. Next is cut down, which means to cause something to fall. The example here is 24 hectares of trees were cut down. Another meaning of cut down is to remake to a smaller size. We can say the tailor cut down the bridesmaid's dress to a dressy dress. Now, what's the difference between cut back, which we had, and cut down? They both mean to reduce. However, cut back is more on spending, cost, and time. Are you ready for the next? It is cut in, which means to interrupt someone. Example, I was talking to John when Dave cut in. So when we say cut in line, it means someone enters somewhere in the middle of a line of people. Say, the guy in blue top cut in the queue. Next is cut out. It means remove, exclude, or stop eating or doing something. Example, cut out fatty foods. To cut something out means to remove something, usually from paper or cloth. For example, Alice cuts out verses from magazines. When we say cut somebody out, we mean that someone is excluded from something. Say, they cut me out of the conversation and ignored me totally. Cut out can also mean to suddenly stop operating. For instance, we say the lifeboat's engines cut out as they hit the seabed. Finally, we have cut through, which is synonymous to cut across. Example, if we cut through the field, it'll save time. Thank you for watching, and once again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share.